Hey, what's up, you guys? And thank you for tuning in to my YouTube channel. Please like, subscribe, and share my channel with your friends. All right, so I want to talk about the worst mistake that I made as a landlord. And so my first investment property, I had no clue about blighted homes, distressed properties. And so I was thinking that I can go in, renovate the property, and I didn't know that I had to have a electrical inspection. So I renovated the property. After we renovated the property, I went to go and get the power turned on. Well, when I went and tried to get the power turned on, they told me that I needed an electrical inspection. And that included having a licensed electrician. So I was unaware of that. Went in thinking that I didn't have to do that. Well, moving forward, the licensed electrician charged me like $4,000 to wire up the house. Had I known that I needed that before, I would have got that done before. Luckily enough, we didn't have to tear the walls out of the house or do any type of damage after we had rehabbed the home. So that's one thing that you want to be precautious of when you're investing in real estate. Also too, your contractors. Make sure that you have good people in place to build your home out. Because if you don't, some guys will run off with your money. So you want to make sure that you don't have guys in there that are not going to do the job correctly and properly. So make sure you get referrals from people in the area, people in the neighborhood, or people that know contractors. Also, you can look up contractors on the city sites. You can find out if they're licensed or if they're able to perform these jobs. You know, some contractors ride around with license numbers on their trucks and on the contracts, but some of them don't be licensed. You have to hold these people accountable. So make sure you do your due diligence. That was another mistake that I've made before as well. I hired guys that I thought that was licensed, wasn't licensed. They gave me a contract. I failed to look it up. I went off of what I saw on the paper and what I saw on the truck. So that's another thing you want to be aware of. So keep a lot of these things in mind when you are investing in real estate. Real estate can be a great asset to you and your family in building wealth, but you want to make sure you cross all of your T's, dot your I's and cross your T's, because if you don't, real estate can really dig a hole in you. So keep a lot of these things in mind. Again, please subscribe, like my channel, and I appreciate you guys for tuning in. I got more content coming. If you want any more content, please feel free to share and ask anything that you would like to ask. Peace.